Hello student, I am Varun Kumar Nishad from LPM Public School. In this video, we will discuss about the modern periodic table and recall the limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. First, limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. Limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. Limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. First limitation of Mendeleev periodic table is that hydrogen is not halogen. Hydrogen is not because it hydrogen both the property of halogen as well as metallic property. Why prove that hydrogen is also so that property of halogen and metallic property? Because during the chemical properties studied about formation of hydride and oxide by the Mendeleev, means hydrogen form hydride reaction with another metal like that is NaH, that is sodium hydride, MgH, that is H2, that is magnesium hydride. These examples are given by Mendeleev. But after that also see hydrogen form compound with halogens. Like as that is compound with halogen, that is first HCl, HF, similarly NaCl, NaF. So here is in HCl hydrogen behave like a metal. Here is hydrogen chloride, hydrogen behave like a metallic properties. So that's why this is the first limitation of Mendeleev, and there is no position, because if according to the Mendeleev the hydrogen is a halogen, that Mendeleev did not able to place in halogen group in the reference of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And this is the basic limitation of Mendeleev, which did not able to place the certain place in the periodic table. But with the certain properties of hydrogen which form like metallic compound, for example NaCl and NaF, sodium chloride, sodium fluoride, but also the hydrogen forms similar compound to that of sodium, that is hydrogen chloride and hydrogen fluoride. So certainly there is no exact place of hydrogen, but availability of proton and electron, the hydrogen is placed at 1 number. It is very similar towards the alkali metals. First is that another limitations, the Mendeleev did not able to put the two elements in same slot. This is the second limitation. Third limitation, during the time of Mendeleev, the also isobar and isotopes are introduced on that time. But in the Mendeleev periodic table, there is no slots adjustment for the isotopes and isobars of element, because isotopes are those elements are similar chemical properties but different atomic masses. So these are the limitation of Mendeleev periodic table. In 1930, that is Henry Moseley, he changed the basic. First, this is very important. Change the basic properties of modern periodic table or Mendeleev periodic table. Mendeleev periodic table that is, what was that? Atomic number is a basic or is an actual fundamental properties of an element. If you recall, with the starting of the chapter, Dauvergne triads given in 1817. Dauvergne arranged the element into their increasing atomic mass. According to Newland, in his periodic, meaning this arrangement of element, he also take the help of increasing atomic mass. According to the Mendeleev also arranged the element into their increasing atomic mass. But Moseley did not follow the same situation that is followed by the triads, octaves and periodic table, Mendeleev periodic table. He slightly changed say that atomic numbers are actual fundamental properties of an एलिमेंट. ये एलिमेंट की प्रॉपर्टी जो है एटॉमिक नंबर ज्यादा क्लोजेस्ट थे, ज्यादा फंडामेंटल प्रॉपर्टी शो कर रहे थे एंड इसी बेसिस पे. और ये एटॉमिक नंबर किसको रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? तो एटॉमिक नंबर जो है रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, रिप्रेजेंट यू आर ऑलरेडी वेरी वेल नोन अबाउट इट, रिप्रेजेंट द नंबर ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन which are present into the nucleus. जितने किसी न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जितने प्रोटॉन प्रेजेंट होंगे वही उसका एटॉमिक नंबर होगा. तो उस एटॉमिक नंबर के हिसाब से उन्होंने इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज किया एंड डिफरेंट. उसके बाद 19th सेंचुरी के बाद टाइम में एटम की डिस्कवरी कंप्लीट हो चुकी थी। एटम की डिस्कवरी, एटम में प्रोटॉन, एटम के न्यूक्लियस में प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन होते हैं और उसके सेल में डिफरेंट इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व होते हैं एट सर्टेन वेल डिफाइंड पाथ। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। So first element, that is hydrogen, helium, S block, P block and G block, and in each of the block there is a F block element present in the modern periodic table, that is log form. Next, that is magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Again that is potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, and here is bromine, there is krypton, and gallium, arsenic, Sb, antimony. Sorry, selenium. Okay, let us see. Increasing atomic number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. So these are the elementary students and arranged by Henry Moseley, that is long form. S block, P block, D block and lactinide and anthonite salt series are called as F block element. So questions is given in your activity. First question is, write down the three similarly increasing their atomic mass. So just take those three any. Suppose that 1, 2, 1, 3 and ये यहाँ तक आप हाइड्रोजन लेते हैं, सोडियम लेते हैं, हाइड्रोजन, सोडियम and lithium and sodium. 1, 3, 11. That is 1 is 1 electronic configuration according to subset. 1 is 2, 2 is 1, 1 is 2, 2 is 2, 2p6, 3 is 1. If you remind that, if you try to understand, that is S1. This is a group 1, group 2, and he arranges in 18 vertical column and 7 horizontal row. Horizontal row, that is period. Again, vertical column, that is group. 18 groups and 7 horizontal period. Next, so in this electronic configuration of hydrogen, lithium and sodium, we can already categorize this 1s1, s1, s1, s1. So every element of same group, so the characteristics of same is present in their groups. So similar properties periodically repeat. अब 1 से 2 की तरफ जाते हैं, फिर 2 से 3 की जाते हैं, फिर यही 1 की प्रॉपर्टी शो करता है, 3 से पूरा 10 तक जाएंगे, फिर 11 में यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे, फिर इसी की प्रॉपर्टी शो करेंगे. ऐसे सिमिलर होगा, कुछ बहुत सारे कंपाउंड से सिमिलरिटीज गेन करेंगे, सिमिलर होंगे. And that's why in this way we can categorize it easily. 1s1, 2s2, 2s1, 3s2. ये जो नंबर है 1s1, ये 1 पीरियड देख सकते हो आप, 1 पीरियड में. ये जो नंबर है 2, ये 2 पीरियड में है, देख लीजिए लिथियम में 2nd पीरियड में. 3s1, ये S1 तो है, पॉसिबिलिटी इसकी 1 है, इसकी पॉजिटिव चार्ज 1 होगा, इसका आउटरमोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 है, लेकिन किस पीरियड में है, ये पीरियड नंबर 3rd में है. So easily after the last electronic configuration in which the last electron field in the soft cell, we can only predict that in which period, in which group, in which block the element will occupy in the periodic table. Again repeat, 1 means 1 पीरियड में है, फर्स्ट पीरियड में है. 1s1, 1 जो ये दिख रहा है, ये ग्रुप को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. सारे के सारे ये दोनों हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, ये सारे के सारे किस ग्रुप में है, ग्रुप 1 में है. और आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पीरियड में है हाइड्रोजन, तो फर्स्ट पीरियड, लिथियम 2nd पीरियड में है, तो 2nd पे लास्ट वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो 2nd में भर रहा है. सोडियम 3rd पीरियड में है, तो लास्ट वाला इलेक्ट्रॉन इसका 3 पे भर रहा है. So every last subcell in which the electron is get filled represent the accurate give the accurate information about the situation in the about the element which is situated in our periodic table. Another topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.